What's up guys, it's your boy, Mad Mike, and if you don't know who I am yet, I'm a newbie YouTuber who likes to document my crazy car builds, as well as show you tips and tricks along the way. So if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Let me know if you're enjoying these builds. On today's build, we're going to change out the pickup coil on a 1985 Koenig Fiero kit car so we can get it to fire up, as well as change out the master cylinder so we can get the car to move under its own power. So stay tuned, let's go for a ride. So first things first, I gotta take off the distributor cap, then I can get access to my one bolt that's holding the whole assembly in, mark the location, and then remove everything.
Let's go.
So, you can see how corroded that all is down in there. There's the old pickup coil, so that's definitely looking pretty bad. Now that you got the cap off, you're ready to mark the location of where the rotor is sitting, so make sure to do that. And then go ahead, take off the one bolt down here, I think it's a 13mm, and then remove the entire assembly. There we go. She's coming up. It rotates a bit as you pull it up. There you have it. Anyways, there you have it. There's the distributor. We finally got the distributor out of the car. Now it's time to tear it down and install the new pickup coil. So there you have it, guys. There's your distributor with your rotor. There's your ignition control module and your hold down clamp with your 50mm bolt. That's pretty much all there is to it. So this is your coil up in here. Let's go ahead and remove this one pin right here, and then everything should slide down the shaft to be able to get at that. So on the top of the pickup coil, you got one little clamp here, pop that off, and then we can slide it off. She's a little corroded. There you go. Out with the old, in with the new. So there's a pin on the bottom of the coil, and that lines up with the corresponding hole on the top of the distributor. Just gonna slip it in. Boom. New pickup coil's on. We'll go ahead and take the hold down plate and install the clip. There's one side, there's the other. And just like that, the new pickup coil is on the distributor, all cleaned up, ready for reinstallation. Okay, the control module is back on. So find your two clips, clip them back on, and then there's one for your pickup coil at the back. Put your distributor cap back on, everything's lined up, and you're done. That friggin' 15mm bolt that holds the distributor down is a pain in the arse, I'm telling ya. Been struggling with this for like 25 minutes now. Just started plugging everything back in and I found another broken wire. So we're gonna have to go ahead and sort all that out. Bummer. Little update. This is the gas line that I need to go and get because somebody did a crappy job of extending this line. We got a new fuel line, step 1's complete. So we just got down to the shipping container. Gonna go ahead and see if I can find that wiring I need. I was gonna pull off these wheels this weekend and try to sell them. That way I can get some cash to finish up the other one. Anyways, let's see if the part we need is inside here. Oh, I think we got it, boys. And we got her, boys. Check it out. That's the last piece of the puzzle. Let's go install this and see if we can get the car to fire up. Let's go ahead and install this new clip first. Okay, module is all clipped back in. All right, guys, here goes nothing. I got the battery hooked up. We'll go prime the car over, check for leaks before I start it up. I'll set the camera down and we'll see if the car fires up. A little bit of quick start. Well, didn't work. Time to diagnose the problem. I don't know what's going on. Still won't start. If you guys know anything, comment below. Let me know. What do you think it could be? It just doesn't seem like it's gonna spark. Well guys, I tried. Still can't get it to fire up. If you know why it might not be getting spark, comment below. Let me know. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and yeah, leave a comment if you can help me out. Or just let me know if you're enjoying these vlogs I'm doing here. And I keep going, try to get this car started for you guys. We'll catch you guys later. Ciao, ciao.